Beatbox Score!
What's up? Satchel! Let's go to what? Let's go to what? Let's put this hips. Sexual Filipino stuff. Here, bebop. Filipino. I said, baby, my problem. She gotta get it, go.
Fighting out of Davao, proudly Beatbox Score. Three-time defending champion. Tuesday, what do you think?
Grabe na yung tinignan mo ko sa dulo, ha? Naramdaman ko talaga. Sorry ko na to kay Koy. Kinall off yung kasal. Ay, grabe. Sabi nga ni Direk Joey Reyes, tuwing umakyat ka dito sa entablado, binibigyan mo kami ng problema. Grabe na, ang galing na nung dalawang bata, okay na ako eh. Uuwi na ako lang matiwasay. Bigyan mo problema. Ang galing mo talaga, kapatid. Yun ang masasabi ko. Nakikinig ka sa amin. Nung huli tayong nagkita, sabi ko, itaas mo pa, ha? Huwag kang bibitaw. Itaas mo. Nagdala ka pa ng harmonika talaga. Gusto na kita maging boyfriend dahil sa mga nagagawa mo sa bibig mo. Yun lang.
Thank you, Tuesday. Agot, what do you think of our three-time defending champion?
First time ko! First time! My God! May boombox ka sa loob mo ng ano mo? Sa tiyan? Saan? I'm speechless. Ang galing. Tapos nung naglabas ka pa ng harmonica, sabi ko, mag-harmonica. Ba, may boombox din sa harmonica. Naloka ako. Ang galing. Yun ang sabi ko.
Thank you, Agot. Rupa.
I'm just so happy na pinakinggan mo kami. So ngayon, linevel up mo siya. And napakagaling. It was just like the first time I listened to you. And ngayong gabi nga, medyo confused ako kung sinong pipiliin ko. Yung dalawang bagets, in the Believers or you. So it's really a difficult choice. But you know what? That just is a good sign. Kasi ngayon ko lang sasabihin na talagang it proves na the Pinoys are really very talented.
Let's go!
Thank you. Direk
He is the second guy, beatboxer from Davao na nanalo dito. You remember
Yes.
si DJ Busted? Kilala mo ba yun? Maliit
Magkaibigan
lang ba
ba kayo
kayong
ni DJ
grupo sa Davao? Magkasama ba kayo sa isang grupo? What's that?
Actually po, from Zamboanga po siya.
Okay.
Representing Zamboanga.
I see. So, I see tuloy. I see. No, I was really impressed kasi I thought that guy was already good, but you took it to a totally different level. You know how I know that you're good? Kasi we have foreign people in the audience, and they were into what you were doing. So it bridges the language. More of an American accent ako bigla.
Language?
Basta magaling kayo lang gusto ko sabihin. And you know, it had such a resonance. Yung kaha mo, it really sounded like a kaha. It really had like an amplification or something there. You were really good. Very good.
Thank you, Direk Oli. Okay, Beatbox Score. Dito ka sa aking kanan. Three-time defending champion, Beatbox Score. It's